My name is Ashley Morgan. I live in Austin, Texas. I'm an attorney. I oppose House Bill 5337 for 3 reasons. First, it hurts eligible voters, particularly married Republican women. Second, it undermines confidence in the security of U.S. elections. And third, it wastes money. First, it would make it harder for eligible voters like my mother, who is over 60 years old and has only been out of the country twice and does not keep her passport renewed, to be able to exercise her right to vote. She votes Republican. Women who take their spouse's names or last names have a different last name than they do on their birth certificate. According to a 2023 Pew Research study, 79% of women in opposite-sex relationships have taken their husband's name. That number is higher amongst conservative Republican women, where it's 90% who have taken their husband's last name. That's from a 2023 article about 8 in 10 women in opposite-sex marriage relationships say they took their husband's last name. Younger voters and low-income voters do not have a copy of their birth certificate or a passport. You are correct, Representative Busey. Only 54.8% of Texans have a valid passport, according to a Center for American Progress study. It costs $130 or more to get or renew a passport and takes about 4 to 6 weeks. I estimate this amount of time that it takes to get it will probably increase because the State Department just announced 2 days ago that it's cutting 15% of its staff. Second, there's no real need for this bill. It undermines confidence in U.S. elections. Voting by non-citizens is very rare, as has already been underscored. There are serious problems when we raise issues about whether or not our elections are secure. I think we've all seen where county election workers and secretaries of state have received death threats because of the idea that our elections are not secure. We're adding VDRs to the target list with this bill. This is a serious problem. We can't pretend and play, to get political points that our democracy is not working. It's working, as is shown by all the statistics that we've already talked about today. And I'd like to highlight just, for purposes of the record, that Texas Election Code Section 64.0112 makes it illegal to vote when you're not a citizen. And in terms of federal law, 18 U.S.C. 611 makes it a crime as well. So I don't know if that's my time. Okay. I just really urge you to oppose this bill.
Thank you, Ms. Morgan. Members, any questions? Thank you.